We have another 2-3 minutes. I tried to, I tried to see, like I can see the temple from where I'm sitting. I tried to place it the other way around so that you can see, but it's too bright. Like you cannot see. Let me try and change that. Yeah, see, now you can see, but if I place can you see the temple?
Yes.
Yeah, you can see the flag. That's Krishna's Dwaja. So that's the temple. But if I place it so that, like I'm on the other side and you can see the temple, it's just too bright. It's not coming. So yeah, I think another couple of minutes. Oops, sorry. Okay, Hari Om everyone.
Hari Om.
So the temple that you see, the flag, that is Dwarkadish. So I thought, since I'm here, it was running in my mind that I should do something here. I was thinking, I'll just prepare myself or do something, do some study, do Bhagavad Gita. And then it suddenly struck me, why not, have a small satsang? And then I started thinking, what should we do? Maybe should I do chapter 11, a few verses? But then finally I decided that why not we go through, all the vibhutis. We have gone through chapter 10, which is Vibhuti Yoga, and that has all the vibhutis of Bhagwan. And, anyway, every aspect of creation is his vibhuti. And we are here in Dwarka. So I thought, why not just go through each one of his 75 vibhutis that he highlights and he talks about. So to go through them will not take too much time. So we will go through the 75 vibhutis. And towards the end of the satsang, I will again, show you the Dwarkadish temple. For now, I'll just switch back the camera towards me. So thank you very much for joining, everyone. Hari Om. We'll get started. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So in today's satsang, we will just go through all the vibhutis that Bhagwan talks about in chapter 10. Like he told Krishna, he said that I will give you the highlights. I will give you the prominent ones. And that is what we will go through. As we know, everything is his vibhuti. And we are sitting in Dwarkadish, and it's a beautiful atmosphere here. So I thought it will be very nice for us to do this. It's very appropriate. So we'll just go through the 75 vibhutis. Adityanam aham Vishnu. Among the 12 Aditya, I am Vishnu. Jyotisham Raviransuman. Among the luminaries, the constellations, I am the radiant sun. Marichir Marutam Asmi. Among the Maruts, I am Marichi. Nakshatranam aham Sashi. Among the nighttime luminaries, the constellations, I am the moon. Initially, he talked about all the luminaries, all the jyotis, the light-giving luminaries. Here, Nakshatranam, all constellations, even those including that reflect the light of the suns. Vedanam Samavedosmi. Among the Vedas, I am Samaveda. Devanam Asmi Vasavaha. Among the gods, I am Vasava, that is Indra. Indriyanam Manaschasmi. With respect to the senses, I am the mind. I am the manas. Bhutanam asmi chetana. With respect to living beings, I am intelligence. Rudranam Shankaraschasmi. Among the Rudras, I am Shankara. Vittesho Yaksha Rakshasam. Among the Yakshas and the Rakshasas, I am Kubera. Vasunam Pavakas-chasmi. Among the Vasus, I am Pavaka or Agni. Another name for Pavaka is Agni. Meru Shikarinamaham. Among the mountains, I am Mount Meru. Purodasam cha mukhyam mam Viddhi Partha Brahaspatim. Among all the priests, O Partha, know me to be the chief, Brahaspati, the chief of all priests, Brahaspati. Senanam aham Skandaha. Among generals, I am Skanda. Sarasam asmi Sagaraha. Among all water bodies, I am the Sagara. Actually, from here, next time I'll show you, you can see the ocean also behind the Dwarkadish temple. Maharshinam Briguraham. I am all the Maharishis. I am Brigu. Giram Asmaikam Aksharam. Among words, I am the single syllable Om. Yajnanam Japa Yagyosmi. Among all the Yagyas are all the sacrifices. I am Japa Yagya, the Yagya of silently repeating Bhagwan's name. Sthavaranam Himalaya. Among the immovables, I am Himalaya. Ashwatha Sarva Vrikshanam. Among all trees, I am the people tree, the Ashwatha. Devarshinam cha Naradaha. Among all the divine rishis, I am Narada. Gandharvanam Chitrarataha. Among the Gandharvas, I am Chitraratha. Siddhanam Kapilo Munihi. Among the accomplished, I am sage Kapila. Uchchai Shravasam Ashwanam. Among the horses, among all the lordly horses, I am Uchchai Shravas. Airavatam Gajendranam. Among lordly elephants, I am Airavata. Now, both these Bhagavan also says Amritodbhavam. These are born from the Amrita. When the white milky ocean, the Kshirasagara was churned, at that time, among the various divine elements that came out, the horse Uchchai Shravas and the lordly elephant Airavata, both are also products of the churning from Amrita. They were born of Amrita. And both these were gifted to Indra, Lord Indra. Naranam cha Naradhipam. Among the humans, I am the monarch. Ayudhanam aham Vajram. Among weapons, I am Vajra, Indra's thunderbolt. Dhenunam asmi Kamaduk. Among the cows, I am Kamaduk or Kamadhenu. Also a product of the Amrit churning. Rajanash Chasmi Kandarpaha. I am Kandarpa, the cause for the progenitors. Sarpanam Asmi Vasukihi. Among serpents, I am Vasuki. Anantas Chasmi Naganam. Among the Nagas, I am Anantaseshaha. Varuno Yadasam Aham. Among aquatic creatures, I am Varuna, their king. Pitrunam Aryamas Chasmi. Among the ancestors, among the Pitrus, I am Aryama, their king. In Dwarkadish, also one of the sacrifices made to the Pitrus is water here in Dwarkadish. It is known to be a place to make offerings to the Pitrus. Yamah Samyamatamaham. Among controllers, I am Lord Yama. Prahladas Chasmi Daityanam. Among the Daityas, I am Prahlada, the devotee of the Lord. Kalah Kalayatam Aham. Among the reckoners, those who count, I am time. Mriganam cha mrigendroham. Among beasts, I am their lord. Or among animals, I am the lion. Vainateyascha pakshinam. Among birds, I am Garuda, the Vahan of Bhagwan. Pavana pavatam asmi. Among purifying elements, I am wind. All elements are purifiers. Among them, the wind that can purify the purifiers. That is what I am. Rama Shastra Bhritamaham. Among wielders of weapons, I am Rama. Jhashanam Makaraschasmi. Among fishes, I am Makara. Sotrasam Asmi Jahnavi. Among the rivers, I am Ganga. Sarganam Adirantascha Madhyam Chaivaham Arjuna. I am the beginning, I am the middle, I am the end of all created elements. Actually, when you go into the temple, you feel it, it goes within you, that humongous aspect of Bhagwan being the creation, the beginning, the middle, and the end of all elements that are created. Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam. Among all knowledge, I am the knowledge of the self. Adhyatma Vidya. Vada Pravadatamaham. Among controversies or debates, I am that which establishes the truth. Aksharanam Akarosmi. Among all letters, I am A. Whenever we first open the mouth, the sound that comes without any modulation of the vocal cords or of the mouth itself is the sound A. Dvanda Samasikasya cha. Among compounds, I am the dual. Aham eva kshaya kalaha. Among time, I am Akshaya, the everlasting. Dhatanam Vishwato Mukha. Among dispensers, I am the all-faced. I am looking everywhere so that I can dispense. Mrityu Sarva Harshachaham. And I am the all-devouring death. Udbhavascha Bhavishyatam. I am the prosperity of that which is meant to be prosperous. Anything that is meant to be prosperous, I am the prosperity of that. And then Bhagavan says, a beautiful part of the Vibhuti, Kirti Shrivakcha Narinam Smritir Medha Dhritik Shama. So Bhagavan is saying, and of the feminine qualities, I am, he says, Kirtihi, glory and fame, Shri, lustre and prosperity, Vak, speech that is perfect and effective, Smriti, memory, as well as the recall power, Smarana Shakti, Medha, intelligence or the holding power, Dhriti, firmness, ability to bear, the steadfastness, the forbearance, and Shama, forgiveness. Brihat Sama Tatha Samnam. Among the Sama hymns, I am Brihat Sama. Gayatri Chandhasamaham. Among the meters, I am Gayatri. Masanam Margashirshoham. Among months, I am Margashirsha. Ritunam Kusumakaraha. Among the season, I am the flowery season, the spring. Dyutam Chalayatam Asmi. Of the fraudulent, I am gabbling. Tejas Tejasvinamaham. Brilliance of the brilliant, I am. Jayosmi, I am victory. Vevasayosmi, I am effort. Sattvam Sattvavatamaham. The goodness of the good, I am. Vrishninam Vasudevosmi. Among the Vrishnis, among the Yadavas, I am Vasudeva. Pandavanam Dhananjaya. Among the Pandavas, I am Dhananjaya, Arjuna. Muninam Apyamaham Vyasaha. Among the Munis, I am Vyasaha, Vyasa. Kavinam Ushana Kavihi. Among the seers, I am Ushana. Dando Damaytam Asmi. Among the punishers, I am the scepter, the just punisher. Nitirasmi Jigishatam. Among those who seek victory, I am statesmanship. Maunam Chaivasmi Guhyanam. Among secrets, I am silence. Jnanam Jnanavatamaham. I am the knowledge of the knowers and the wisdom of the wise. So these are the 75 vibhutis that Bhagavan highlights, that Bhagavan brings out as examples of his infinite vibhutis. All of it is vibhutis. And chapter 10, when he finishes chapter 10, he says, Athava bahunaitena kimyatena tavarjuna vishtabhyaham idam kritsnam ekam kshena stito jagat. So, O Arjuna, think of it this way. How can you know of all my glories in so many ways? I have described elaborately as asked by you, but which is only a very brief, small portion of all my vibhutis. So how can you know all of it? Let me simplify it for you. Let me say it in one sentence. I exist supporting the entire creation by just a very small wee bit portion of me. That is what Bhagavan says at the end of this chapter. So as we are, in Dwarkadish, I have this small wee bit Krishna here. This was actually given to me by Sarika. And, as she said, as you are traveling, take this along. And there is Dwarkadish, such a big Krishna, So with this wee bit also, he supports everything. So this Bhagavan, he's supporting all of creation, all of everything. So with, prayers to Bhagavan Dwarkadish, Sri Krishna. Thank you, those of you who joined. I just thought, since I'm here, something like this, like I said in the beginning, since a couple of you joined late, I was wondering, what should I do? First, I thought I'll just prepare, which I did. And then I thought maybe chapter 11, but then it will be neither here nor there. Then it struck me that why not vibhutis? We are sitting here in Dwarkadish and everything is Bhagavan. So why not just go through the list that he himself listed out. So before we sign off, I will once again, so that's Dwarkadish. It's a beautiful city and divine. You do feel it when you go there. Very, very nice. Actually, Rama is saying, her wish is to be here. Yes, I'm hoping that you're all here through this. Actually, there is one of the places where you go in the mandap, where you go and you ask for anything. Bhagavan is there. There's one place, one of his murti is there where you can touch his feet. The only place where you're allowed to go and touch his feet and then ask for anything and he grants. So for you all, I will, whatever your wish is, may that be granted by Krishna.
Thank you very much, Srini. It was really, really enlightening. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you for joining. Just a last minute, but thank you very much for joining. Thank you, Kushagra. I'm glad you joined too. Thanks for all of you for joining.
Thank you, Srini.
I promise that it will only be a few minutes. Thank you all. Thank you, Hari Om. And Jai Shri Krishna.